Hello, everyone. I would like to introduce you today our partner K-Mobile. They are delivering and producing hardware for push-to-talk users. And today I have with me the general manager, Rita. So, hi, Rita.
Hi, everybody. Hi, Kala. Nice to meet you.
Nice to see you again. Rita, I think it is now over 1 year we met last time, right?
Yeah, last time we met in the PMR Radio Fair in 2019. Nearly 1 year past. How time flies.
Exactly. I exactly remember, how we met and we went to your stand and you showed me your new devices and so on. And yeah, unfortunately, this year we cannot do that. But anyway, we are still in touch. We are still working. Everything is continuing. And I'm very happy that you could join us, even it is, we are far away from each other from the time zone. And yeah, so please introduce to us a little bit your company and also, yeah, what you are doing. How was 2020 for you so far?
Uh, Sorry, can you repeat the last?
Yes,
Yeah.
give us little feedback about 2020 for you. What did you do new in this year?
Yeah. This year, yeah. Actually, this year is a business has a little bit of influence by the COVID-19, but actually our company has still focused on the push-to-talk business and the radio design and manufacturing. So this year we still launched two new models, the we call high-end level for the push-to-talk. That's today I bring two models here to take this chance with TASSTA platform. That is some of our partner is already deployed these units and they use TASSTA platform, and now it's working and going and deploying the police station and some ambulance field. So
That's a
uh,
perfect bridge. So, yeah, tell us now about your device. It's good that you could move forward in 2020 and you created even some new devices. Yeah, please share with us your devices. So tell me.
Okay, thanks, Keva. Okay, hope you can hear me clearly. Okay, first device is about E966P. This is model we have shown in the PMR Radio Fair in 2009 last year. So I think most partner is very familiar with this one, but at that time it's still sample stage. Now it's already mass production. This we call is the mission critical radio. It's used the latest chipset MTK6761, which can support release 14. So we heard 3GPP standards chipsets can support release 14. And you will see first the design is a radio design, but the function, the motherboard is a smartphone design. So this is one point I want to show with all partners here. And also, we use IP68 design. It's totally IP68, so you can see the design and art clearly.
Wow,
Also,
that's huge. I mean, IP68 is great, and also release 14 sounds absolutely perfect.
yeah, actually, we are releasing some samples to test in the mission critic. But you know, mission critic function needs hardware support, platform support, and also the operator network should be support. So in these three ways, it can reach mission critical communication. So this is the part we are improve based on the platform together. So if later we can show more. Okay,
Yes.
sorry.
Are you going? I mean, I know the devices are all compatible with TASTA, but when do you have yeah, the device is launched already, right? Or is it still in the final procedure?
Yes, this E9665, this model is already production. It's taking a hand. We already released the first 1,000 pieces in the markets. Now we are ready arrange the 3K material on the production line. So the certification like CE, FCC, IP68 testing reports, and MIL 9110G, the military standard test report already. So for some partner who wants to use the full screen, which can support third-party application management application, like used in the airport station, some security guard with the petrol systems, because the petrol system application is very large. So these devices can support those third-party management application. So let's say I said the second function is big memory, 2G plus 16 GB. Also, we can extend 3 plus 32 GB. So in the POC devices with 4-inch size, we see this range devices still empty. So this is how these devices we design and launch here. And
which Android is running on that one? Which Android?
Android version? K-Mobile company is a regional Android smartphone design company. So all of our devices are designed based on the Android system and MTK solution, and only do MTK solution, and based on the Android system. The phone design, you will see this is another size, like IP67 and 68. And also you will see another big this is multi-mode devices. So this is another device we say this is POC, this is multi-mode LT with DMR. So this is the third function advantage I want to share with all partners, that with one device you can carry into two functions. This is LT with DMR, the gateway. Later I will show you. And this is 4-inch POC radio with competitive and affordable price, competitive with other brands like Ruggier and Solomon.
Okay, yeah, looks perfect, perfect. So this is one device what you have, and you showed now the other device. So it is principally the similar one, but just it's running this dual mode, right? Like DMR and 4G.
Yeah, that's right. So this is the second device we extend. Similar design and size, but this one we add DMR chipset inside. So this can be LTE and DMR with also support gateway function. So gateway, when you will see this is a DMR interface.
Yeah.
And this your platform. Okay, say TASSTA platform. So you will say we open this. You can use this as POC devices only, or you can use as a gateway, or you can use a DMR radio. So in this radio, it's combined DMR, POC, gateway all together in one devices. This is IP68 with removable function. So IP68, you can see the design, and we also have okay, the balcony.
And just for informing everybody, so all the devices brand is EasyTalk, right? So it's not K-Mobile. K-Mobile is the company name. EasyTalk is basically it's a branding for the hardware.
Yeah. This is our new brand. We launched in the 2018. Actually, in the previous time, we only focus on the OEM and the ODM business. That means we support rebrand. That means you can put any of your client's brand here. So this is one kind of our business. But since last year, last year, yeah, sorry, we also launched our own brand because we think it's also very important. So in overseas markets, we will present display in this new brand.
Yeah. Sorry. The EasyTalk.
Yeah, EasyTalk means easy to talk. Okay.
Yeah, very good. No, I mean it's good to know. It's good to know for everyone that principally, yes, they can also ask you for an OEM if they want white labeling, if that is required.
Yeah. Because we understand some some markets like some Colombia and the US market and the Mexico clients, if you want to deploy some POC radio or in the local security department, they trust the local brand. So to support this business, our company also have the ability to support clients doing the OEM brand, to doing OEM package like this package. They can do their own brand here. We can change this one and put any client's logo here. So this is another OEM service, and we can support clients.
So what else as a device do you have besides these two? Do you have
Okay.
devices to introduce us?
Yeah. But, sorry, there another function I forgot to introduce is about the special camera function. You will see this special design here, one key camera with this body. We have the body camera. You can see rely on this accessory extend body camera. This is, you will see it can be work on the back, and the viewing angle is 120. Viewing angle is wide, because for the mobile phone the viewing angle is only 18.5, but with this it can take the video and take the picture more wider. So when you connect with this connector, M6 connector, okay, so
yeah,
it's like a professional body camera. That means with external video capture and the PTT buttons. Also, there is a function that we have done. That means we can make PTT talking and the video capture to do at the same time. Because in the markets, okay, I choose headphone inside. Because in the markets, most push-to-talk radio only can do one time, like push-to-talk, but the camera, the video recording will be stopped. But we have solved the software issues. That means video capture and the push-to-talk can be do at the same time, because we use the dual mic inside.
Nice. You know, we are doing also at TASSTA many things for this push-to-video and the video features. And I think we need to discuss deeper that point together later on to have even, I mean, besides the push-to-talk, that we have also this push-to-video better implemented with that device, because that's exactly what we are doing also. And how about, and so in this camera, there is a stabilization inside, right? So is there really like a body cam, and everything is perfect, right?
Yeah. It's already finished the integration. So when clients take this accessory, they can use this as a body camera and push to talk. So right now, projects we deploy these devices in Turkey, in the Turkey public security field, and also Spain. They use this for the public security people and also some ambulance. When they're doing the work, they can, you know, to record everything happen here. So the dispatch can take control every details and give the commission immediately. It can improve the work, how to say, faster and with real proof in this way.
Okay, perfect. That's great. That's great, Erita. That's good news. So what else do you have? Do you have something additional? Any other devices?
Yes, that's the traditional device that we are coming to release is this 3.0 inch POC radio. This will be more compatible in the price, because for we call it entry level POC radio now. The price will be cut down a lot last year to meet the market's request for the entry level POC radio. So I have to say and give you some advanced news. This radio price will be amazing. It's with NFC and also with touch, you will see. So when in the dark environment, you can use this button to open it. So when the worker take this device to work in the dark environment, they can use this. So you know, other function is there: PTT button, SOS button, and belt clip, big battery,
Yeah.
4,200, and remove belt clip,
Battery.
yes,
Yes.
and also remove battery here. Like this way you can open.
Yeah. Nice. Nice.
So
And this one is a 4G device, right? It's a LTE
yeah,
device.
this all of our all devices, this one and this multi-mode, and also this one, all based on the 4G LTE with Android operation system.
Okay. And the Android operation system, which version of Android is installed on them?
Android right now for those three devices, we use Android 8.1, and those two devices we are upgrading to Android 10 operation system to got the GMS. But later maybe we'll update Android 11. Yeah.
Okay. Nice. And when is there going to be the upgrade to Android 10?
Android 10, actually, we are already on the process. So next year on January, it will be ready. But because this one, we are trying to make it, you say, the Google Works. So we use you will see the Google application here. Okay, so you will see all we have support the Google application here. So it's normal working.
Excellent.
You go outside, go overseas.
That's very good news, Rita. So, so tell me a little bit, what do you plan for maybe 21 or 22? Do you have some already maybe a 5G device in mind, or do you plan to do something what we could know maybe?
Sorry, could know? You mean exact?
What is the future plan? So are you going to 5G, or you say not yet? We are still watching, and maybe yeah, we are checking still the market, or what are the future plans? You said I think you have maybe in under development a device for 2021 or 2022. I don't know. Do you have? Can you share with us something?
Okay, understand your point. Actually, our company next plan, we already consider another level category product that we call anti-explosion. Even we say this is not big quantity market, but we do some market survey. That's most of the push-to-talk technology is already mature in the market. So most of the field like oil and the gas field, it's already take the push-talk solution here for the communication. So now the lack some professional and the true anti-explosion devices to be to work together. So actually we are discussing with many partners together to using these devices and make some changes based on the motherboard, the battery, and all the casing to make these 4-inch PLC devices as a professional anti-explosion devices. So this is what we are doing for the next. So estimated, we will launch these function devices around, we will say February or March.
Okay, so we can expect next year ATEX devices from you.
Yes. That's
Excellent.
even next year the CCW fail and IWC fair or can be held successfully and normal. So maybe we can carry these devices in the show and present all the partners.
That's good news. That's great news.
And another news is about the 5G. 5G is already on the plan. I'm not sure for the foreign countries how people's eager for the 5G push-to-talk radio. But in China, actually 5G is growing and increasing. In China, it already have the 5G push-to-talk radio in the markets. and the 5G technology and the solution chipset motherboard is already mature, so it's possible to do. So we see maybe next year, but we think at least it will be the Q3 stage to do the 5G, because in the overseas markets we still see 5G network is not too much. So we say it's maybe got a little more time. So how do you think?
Yes, yes, I believe so. I mean, we see it also everywhere coming up. 5G is everywhere, people are discussing about it, but still, in Europe, it's not fully available. Okay, in the Emirates, yes, for example, it depends in which country you are, but it is definitely the future. And I'm very impressed that you are going to have this 8X device next year, and also maybe something with 5G. That would be wow. I mean, that's basic. More is not possible, I would say, because if somebody and the thing is, I believe if you are talking about 5G, is because okay, if you are purchasing a device, it's an investment into the future. So that means the device is not used only for 1 year; it is used for maybe 3 or 5 years. So that means the people prefer to buy 5G devices because they say, okay, we can keep that device the next 5 years and we have still state of the art. So I think that is the main argument for 5G. It's not like, yes, we are going to need it today. No, but if, for example, in the 2022, more operators are launching 5G on a wider scale, then people will say, okay, at least I have the device which is already ready and I don't need to purchase, a new device again. So I think that will be the main, main advantage for hardware vendors if 5G is available.
Yes.
Rita, so tell me, so if, I mean, again, for me, the presentation was very impressive and I liked, I mean, we are working since many years very well together and everything is running perfect. If somebody want to get in touch with you and purchase that devices, how does your sales work principally? So how can they reach out? How can I buy tomorrow a device from you if I want?
How can you buy devices from us? Actually, for
Yes.
example, we can release for you for free for advanced testing.
No, for me, I mean, no, I mean, we have the devices in our office. I mean, let's say somebody is watching now our webinar and he said, yes, this is perfect. I want to have devices from K-Mobile, EasyTalk. How they can purchase it? They need to contact you over your web page or over your social media, or do you have partners around the globe? I mean, if somebody contacting TASSTA, usually we say immediately, okay, here's the, here is the email address from Rita. Please contact Rita and she will support you. So how does it work usually if somebody wants to purchase EasyTalk devices?
Okay, understand. Actually, for K-Mobile business strategy is also very flexible and open. One part we can only when some platform some client need the devices, they do not understand device very well, so maybe we can do the devices introduction, and the platform can you can do your platform technical support. We do the hardware support, and some software we can down together. If we can improve, then we can improve and directly use your platform to build in the devices and ship to the end client. And also, if your company have the plan to buy devices, then we can also sell this device, provide this device to like TASSTA directly, and you can offer the whole solution to the end clients. And sometimes when we meet some new client who do not have any platform, and when we get some request and found that TASSTA platform is very suitable, so maybe we will introduce to clients and install inside and deliver to the end clients. So this is the third business pattern that we are learning with different platforms and some channel partners and some operators.
Excellent. So yeah, so if somebody want to reach Rita, so you can contact us as TASSTA, or you can contact, I mean, the contact details are open, and Rita is going then to communicate with you, yeah, principally the channel partners, or depends on the business you want, right? I mean, yes, because the K-Mobile business range is so wide and flexible that you can even yeah, create your own unique devices if you want. You can have your own branding. So just with K-Mobile, we as TASSTA, we have an expert in that regards for customers and partners who want to have more than, let's say, a device which is here on my hand. They want to have something maybe unique, some specifications should change, or, you know, a simple branding, whatever. So in that case, we can, yeah, K-Mobile is the right partner for that. Yeah, if from my point, I think I get all information, and I'm very impressed, and I'm very happy to hear that you had you moved forward in 2020, and it is looking like yeah, you have big plans for 2021. And I hope and wish that we can see us very soon again on exhibitions
Yeah.
someday next year, hopefully. If everything goes according to plan, yeah, and the vaccines are working. I thank you very much, Rita, for your time and introduction.
Yes, happy to talk with Kevin and Inch. Very happy to take this chance to talk with you. This really, you know, it's my first time like talking this way. But really, if I have time, we can also exchange the market together, because for as a hardware manufacturer, sometimes we need to know more about like some news from the platform, what's clients feedback on the user experience. So maybe in our hardware, we will try to adopt and make change to make the whole solution more compatible and perfect to the end clients. Even we do not have our own platform.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, that is why we are here, why we introducing you, because you are a unique and special partner for us. And yeah, and we are looking forward anyway to cooperate further together in the future. So again, if somebody want to contact Rita, just let us know. And we are looking forward, yeah, to introduce Rita and see what else, yeah, devices are coming soon with our software technology for the perfect ecosystem. So stay safe wherever you are, and hope to see you soon. Bye.
Okay, bye bye, Kela.